Are you tired of spending months trying to create an online course from scratch? What if you could instantly own a complete 50-module coaching program in a massive evergreen niche and start selling it today? Welcome to App Verdict. Today, we are looking at Declutter to Clarity Blueprint and showing you exactly how it can save you thousands of hours and dollars. Here is my honest first impression. If you are a coach, content creator, or affiliate marketer, this private label rights package is a total no-brainer. It completely removes the biggest roadblock to making money online, which is product creation. You get the videos, the written lessons, and the sales pages completely done for you. So, what exactly is Declutter to Clarity Blueprint? It is a complete, done-for-you coaching curriculum. It targets a massive problem right now. People are overwhelmed, stressed, and desperately want to declutter their physical space and their minds. This package gives you 50 research-backed lessons in written, video, and audio formats. You do not need to write a single word, you do not need to record a single video. You just plug in your brand, set your price, and keep 100% of the profits. Let us look at what you actually get when you download this package. Imagine my screen showing the member area right now. First, you get the 50 written lessons in editable documents. Next, you see the 50 high-definition video lessons and 50 audio MP3 files, perfect for people who want to learn on the go. Then you get 50 PowerPoint slide decks for your own webinars. But the most valuable part is the marketing materials. You get a high-converting sales page, a lead capture page, promotional email swipes, and a turnkey affiliate center all ready to upload. It is literally an entire digital business in a box. Now let's talk about the funnel and the pricing. The front end gives you the core package for just $27 to $37. This is a massive steal when you look at the thousands of dollars it costs to produce this much content. After that, there are 5 optional upgrades ranging from $37 up to $77. These upgrades give you advanced tools and extended rights to scale your new business. You do not need them to start, but they are highly recommended if you want to maximize your profits. Now listen closely. If you grab this through the link in the description below right now, I am giving you an insane custom bonus package to help you get traffic and make sales fast. You will not find this App Verdict bonus stack anywhere else. Bonus 1 is the WP Swift Page plugin. This speeds up your website so your buyers never bounce. Bonus 2 is the lead book generator. This easily turns your Facebook traffic directly into email subscribers. Bonus 3 is WP Email Timer Plus. You can add countdown timers to your sales emails to force people to buy quickly. Bonus 4 is 100 ready-made niche blogs. This gives you instant content to drive free search engine traffic to your new course. Bonus 5 is Affiliate System for product owners. This software lets you build an army of affiliates to sell this course for you. Bonus 6 is Pin Marketer. This tool automates your Pinterest account to drive highly targeted buyer traffic for free. Bonus 7 is Video Hub. You can build your own Netflix-style video subscription platform to host these 50 new videos. Bonus 8 is the Auto Support Bot. Add an automated live chat to your sales page to close more deals while you sleep. Bonus 9 is WP Headline Pro. Learn the exact psychological words to use on your sales page to double your conversions. And Bonus 10 is Sociultima. This tool pushes your new course across all social media platforms automatically to drive instant views. To wrap it up, Declutter to Clarity Blueprint is the ultimate shortcut to having your own high-ticket product. But you need to act fast. My exclusive 10-part bonus bundle is strictly limited to the first 25 buyers. Once those 25 spots are gone, these traffic and conversion bonuses disappear forever. Click the link in the description right now to secure your copy and claim your bonuses before it's too late. If you found this App Verdict review helpful, hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions about the product, and subscribe for more honest reviews. After you purchase through my link, your bonuses will be waiting for you automatically inside your Warrior Plus receipt area. Thanks for watching, and go click that link below right now.